Sana is joining us live from Chandigarh. Akansha, the Met Department has predicted heat wave, in fact, severe heat wave in the days ahead for the northern part of the country. You there in Chandigarh, let us get more from you as to how has the morning begun and how do we expect the days ahead there in Chandigarh?
I would like to tell you that heat wave prevails in most parts of Haryana, Punjab and Chandigarh too. And if we look at the maximum temperature rise from the normal, that was 6 2 days back, and now it is coming down, but it is just a significant 5.2, which is not much, and it is not giving much of respite to the people from the heat wave. And also, IMD has predicted that there's going to be some rain, and they're going to be in some isolated places from to moderate rains are going to be there. Maybe, this would bring a little relief to the people, or it might add to more of woes to the people, because when it rains less, then it's more of it gets onto a very bad condition, weather condition, because there is sun also, there is water also, and then it is not much of a respite to the people. But if it rains nicely, then I think probably people will have respite from the heat wave. And if we talk about the preparedness of the government, then all the hospitals are equipped with IV fluids and the first aid which has to be provided to the heat stroke patients. In addition to that, even the wildlife department is working on filling up the ponds in the jungle so that the flora and fauna doesn't get much affected with this heat wave.
All right, Akansha, any word of caution from the state administration and the agencies for the people?
See, the IMD has been, they have been giving the red alert and the orange alert, and certainly the government is also equipped to help the people with the heat stroke. As such, people are told not to work on when the temperatures are high, and as you said, that temperatures are high in the night also. But what we see from last 2 days is that the temperature is going down, and it has brought some respite to the people.
All right, Akansha, we leave it here. Thank you so much with those details. Thank you for joining in.